You know, a lot of women out there think that men just use these things, their eyes, and then pick a partner. And that's it. Especially in LA. Like, there is the most beautiful women on the planet in LA. And you think like, ooh, that supermodel, that's who every man must want. And I've been doing this long enough and talked to enough men where it's not the case at all. Ultimately, especially men 30 years and older, 30 to, 80 plus, we start being a little smarter about this. And what we really want is someone who's smiling, happy. So really, there's three pillars on how we choose our women and what we want. And it's pretty basic. We want someone with similar values as us, so it's easy to get along, similar interests so we can do stuff together. And then we want someone who's making us feel appreciated and is happy and smiling. That's it. So in this video, we're going to talk about men have a hard time not thinking about a woman who tells him this. I want to tell you a few stories that really illustrate this and what you can do when you're with the right guy. So I'm on a third date, and I pick this woman up, and I take her to the beach outside of New York City. We go to the beach, and we kick the soccer ball around. We lay out for a bit. We talk. It's fine. Then there's this fancy hotel right off the beach. We go get a drink. We go in the pool for a bit. And then we're walking back to my car. On the walk to my car, she says to me, "This is the best date of my entire life." I'm like, come on, you're pulling my chain. She goes, "I am dead serious. This is the best date of my entire life." Now, at the time, I didn't think too much of it. I was like, that's cool. I thought that's cool. When I went home, after I took her to dinner that night, I thought, and I'm like, if it's this easy to make her happy, maybe this is my life partner. So it's a hard time not thinking about a woman when she says she's having a great time with you. So when you're with the right guy and he makes you feel that way, tell him. And once you tell him, he's going to have to really think about you. If she's having this immense of a time, where am I at with this whole thing? And if things are aligned, values, interest-wise, and he's in a place where he's looking for a relationship, a healthy man is going to come towards you really hard at this point because he's in. Because he sees that you're happy, he is in. I want to illustrate this again with one of my clients. So this woman is amazing. She's a single mom, kicking ass, great job, amazing town she lives in, amazing house, just totally taking care of business. Great job, great child. Is the mom and the dad basically taking care of this kid? Superwoman. So what's very typical of my clients that are superwomen is they don't know how to ask for help and they don't know how to give appreciation because, well, frankly, they're just never asking for anything, so they never get to give appreciation. And men kind of pull back because they're like, what's my spot in this whole thing? What can I provide to her? She's doing everything. I don't feel needed. I may exit stage right because, like, what am I doing here? And a lot of you are like, I don't need a man. Like, why should a man have to do anything? This is advanced stuff. Yes, you're independent. You don't need him. But if you want a man to want to be there, he's got to have some spot for him. Like, does that make sense? Let me know if you understand why a man needs a spot in a relationship. Go put that in the comments. All right, so what she says to this guy, and it's totally true, she's having a stressful day and they talk, and she's like, when I hear your voice, you instantly make me calm. I freaking lost it when she said that. Like, whoa. That is a huge compliment. If some woman said that to me, I'm like, I calm you down? Shit. Like, that's amazing. I can't believe I calm anyone down. I'm just like all over the place. But this guy calms her down. So now he feels needed. He has a role. When she's stressed, he brings her down. And she said, thank you. Like, thank you for calming me down. Appreciate it. This is beautiful. And you know what? This guy is crazy about her because he feels like he has a purpose, like he can provide something. He's all about it. All right. I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit like, subscribe to the channel so you can see more content. And Sam, let's get these ladies a free gift. Run the wheel. We've got a wheel of gifts, of free gifts. So put a link up there after you pick one, and then we will plop it down in the description and as the top comment. So make sure you get your hands on the free gift. And ladies, love all of you. If you want more videos to watch, there and there to watch some more. Love all of you. See you next time.